What's up, guys? Welcome back. So, lately, um, so what we're doing is we're gonna have to collect some firewood. Now we've already started by a twig, and we have a duty to do. We have to go get some firewood, and yeah. So I might as well take a video of that. We did arrive at our campsite about an hour ago, so let's go do that. Let's go do the firewood looking for. All right. So I don't know about you guys, but I like to find me some good firewood. You know, the ones that aren't like a twig, like I just found earlier. Okay, so let's not look for twigs. I'm looking around. You guys are looking at the ground, I know, but I'm just looking around. I don't even know what to look for. Hmm. If only. If only. Let's keep looking. Ooh, here we go. This looks like a good piece, I guess. Decent. I guess got a pretty decent piece so far. No, we're trying to collect a lot. Here, you're learning camping steps with Brian today. Ah, frick. Boyo got thorns in him. So then we're gonna burn them thorns right off you. Gonna try running, boy. Gonna stick, boy. You're dead anyway, so perfectly dry. It might rain in a minute. That's what I'm trying to watch out for. What? Well, here we go. I found a stick. Stick. Okay. Okay. Oh, I'm at. Okay. Let me do this, dude. By the way, here's inside the tent. Now, I'm like 5 foot. I can stand up in this tent. This thing is super tall. Alright, well, I need to grab molded or some stuff. Ooh, that's a good piece right there. Look at that. That's the biggest piece I've ever seen in my life. Biggest piece I've ever seen in my life. So let's go see what Carter wants. What do you mean? Yeah? The what? No? I do. I do see it. Yeah. To me, I don't know why, but it just looks like that's something from the KKK. So it looks like to me. You gotta keep looking around. Gotta keep looking around for firewood. Just walk right past here by the tent. Oh, hold on. Got a long boy over here. Okay. Got a long boy. I don't know. That's almost up to me. That's really tall. Just about like a yard tall, if I had to guess. First, like I hit you with the long boy stick. Hitting you with the long boy stick. Oh, there we go. So there's our bunch. As it is right now. Okay, Cooper, would you not like make every time I walk? So I'm looking over at the spot where Cooper's tied up right now at the moment, and we're gonna see if we can find any good sticks over here. Oh yeah, plenty of great, good-looking sticks. Okay, now we have Cooper over here, so of course there's gonna be plenty of sticks. That's just one single handful. By the way, if you're wondering what that noise is, that's apparently what a air pump sounds like bought at Walmart. That's what that sounds like. Okay, well we need to. I think we got a pretty decent area going on. Okay. Up north camping. The mini-series. How I can make this into a mini-series for you guys. Probably will. I mean, I'm gonna upload these all in one day. There's gonna be like 700 of them. Okay, I got another long boy stick. Where are all the long boy sticks coming from? There's another one exactly like his brother. Or cousin, depending on what it is. Yeah, okay, that one's attached to a tree. Dead freaking tree. Can you like not? Crazy dogs keep wrapping me around. All the long boys gotta break. Gotta break the long boys. Seems like a dying donkey over there. This thing actually might be still alive though. Oh, there we go. Got a pretty good spot, I guess. Well, I guess we could start off with some paper. Want some paper on the ground, so maybe we can start out with that. Some paper for the fire. Good idea. I have no idea what it is. Let me check that. Oh, well, the paper is nothing important. So, yay! No important paper. Alright, here we have the cool, the spatula from SpongeBob. Yeah, we got the spatula. Huh? I'm trying to get some firewood, mate. But yeah, I'll close the tent. Alright, well anyway. How's it going, Coop? Here, how about Cooper is our stick magnet? A stick magnet is what Cooper has become. Really?
You should have known, Brian. Does it every time you walk over there. I just said it to you less than
Cooper,
5 seconds
Cooper!
ago, so you spin them around it more.
Cooper! Cooper! Get over here. Oh, we got a little bit of a bunch, I would say. Oh crap, my finger's in the way, I'm sorry. Alright, well there it is. There's our little itty bitty bunch right now. So I'm gonna look like into the trees. Like over here around the trees. In these mass piles, because that's where I'm finding the best sticks. Let's go over here. I didn't put off on yet. That's probably a good idea. I should probably do that if I'm looking for firewood. There we go. There's another stick. There we go. We got the bunch is getting big. The stick bunch is getting big. Somebody should like make this a new TV show. It is a story of Stick named Stickman. It was really freaking flammable as crap. And so was his family. That's why they were called Sticks. The Sticky Bunch. Sticky Bunch. Now where are we? Oh, holy up. Holy up, that's a word. You know, somebody needs to like, as I said, I think I did this in one of my past old videos, where I said, the things that don't make sense to me should be put on a hoodie. Like, I say some random freaking words, or at least somebody make it into a compilation of me saying complete randomness that doesn't make any sense. Well, I got a picker. I am being careful with that frick. Being freaking careful with the picker. Okay, then we have the freaking gearing on. So yeah, there's our stick bunch with the picker. Which is, not pleasant to carry, actually. I'm getting stabbed by like 10 pickers. 10 thorns in my hand right now. Not pleasant to feel. No. Nowhere close to being pleasant. Well, there we go. We got a massive family of sticks now. We'd have done it. That's going in the compilation. Anyway, yeah. So anyway, I'm just gonna end it right there. Because there's nothing really more to do. But anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed. Please like, subscribe, comment down below. And thank you. Goodbye.